Hey, so I am back. I am going to be creating a faded stencil over this little teal splotch I have here and on top of the clean black paint. So what I'm using is the old turquoise teal gilding wax from Dixie Belle. I don't know if you can, I don't think you can still get these online, but some retailers may still have them. So you can always check out a Dixie Belle retailer to get the old gilding wax or you can do this technique with any gilding wax you want. So I'm just using a flat round brush, a small one, and I'm just dipping it in my gilding wax. And I don't have spray adhesive on this. I just have my frog tape put around here. And I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of dust my stencil on, trying not to get all the squares in a solid fashion so it looks a little bit more varied. And it just takes a very small amount of gilding wax. And I'm gonna take it off. And you can see I have a ghosted stencil look that fits perfectly with the front of this dresser. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up and then I'll have this video ready for you guys.